At IMI Kolkata, this year, we are very happy to have initiated the Design Thinking course with our partners, the School of Design Thinking. So to start with, they were taken through the methodologies of what exactly is design thinking, and the students love the part from the feedback that I get, that what is the current impediment problem in a particular village, in a particular panchayat, given that the context for design thinking course was in rural India.
We have got all the students from IMI Kolkata, first year students, to Digambarpur village to give them a first-hand experience of how a village looks like, what are the issues faced in a village, and how they can create innovative solutions which will be useful to the villagers. This particular visit was very useful for the students because they really got a feel of what are the real issues plaguing a village. It is very difficult to envisage sitting in a city what are the real problems and what can be some of the solutions. I am very happy to say that some of the students came up with some solutions which the villagers appreciated, and this will help them maybe in the future create more innovative solutions which can be turned into viable businesses.
আমাদের এখানে ছাত্রছাত্রীরা প্রায়ই আসে, সারা ভারতবর্ষ জুড়ে বিভিন্ন ছাত্রছাত্রীরা শিক্ষামূলক গবেষণামূলক কাজে এই গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েত ভবনে আসে। আমরা এবারে আজকের যে মিশন সমৃদ্ধি এবং অন্যান্য ছাত্রছাত্রীরা এসছে 180 জন মতো এবং তাদের টিম, তারা যেহেতু এই আমাদের এই গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েতে আসা মানে রুরাল ডেভেলপমেন্টের একটা প্র্যাকটিক্যাল ফিল্ড ভিজিট করা।
We interacted with him and we found out that this is an actual challenge, because if students want to pursue higher education, they need to navigate. When they need to navigate or migrate from one place to another, it is extremely important for them to analyze and understand the various languages. So this is the first the barrier that we felt. The second was
having access to specialist doctors. There were inadequate medical supplies available in Digambarpur, and because of the same, it had a very worse effect on villagers. The villagers need to travel to a long distance to meet the medical facilities, and sometimes because of the same, the illness were left untreated, and sometimes in the case of critical issues like pregnant women, it caused a lot of bad effects. So because of the unavailability of diagnostic centers, major diseases like dengue, malaria were spreading and left untreated. And we have come together for that some solutions.